Wonderful good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Forex morning call. It's another trading day. It's Tuesday, September 13, and it's me, Marcus from DowHow Trading. Yeah, maybe if you're wondering what's the meaning of DowHow, that's really simple. It's the perfect or proper know-how about the Dow approach. And you know, the Dow approach is 150 years young or old, dependent however you will see it. And it's a strategy which is working. And it's statistically proven, and it's proven over 150 years that trend following based on the Dow approach, buying cheap and selling as much as expensive, it's very profitable. It's highly challenging, of course, because you have to give the responsibility to the market once you get in. And this is the big challenge in trading, not to analyze, not to interpret, not to predict something, just doing your job. And as a trend follower, you have to recognize the trend, which means you have to understand how the trend is working, that you can find your proper entry. And this is a craft. It's not an art, because a lot of traders or a lot of speakers used to say trading is an art. No, it's not. If you grab the logic in trading, then you will understand trading is a craft. And every craft is learnable, of course. You don't have to be a master in this craft, but you can be a good worker in this craft. And this is absolutely enough to make money with trend following, with trading. So let me say good morning here on YouTube. Dori, Tomasz, Mladen, Alexandro, Arel, good morning. Frank also, good morning. And here on Traders Yard, Gert, good morning. And yes, Christoph, wonderful, good morning. Nice to have you here. By the way, Frank, you sent me an email yesterday about the quality of here on YouTube. This is not, unfortunately, not in my hands. I guess you can change, for example, in YouTube directly the quality of the video, but I send it out here from Zoom. That's the direction between Zoom and YouTube in HD quality. So it's out of my hands. I cannot do more. My webcam is in full HD, so it's nothing I can do more, unfortunately. So, however, it's free content, guys, and you cannot expect that everything is perfect. I do it just for you. You pay nothing for this. This is my lifetime also, less yours lifetime. So please be aware it's also free content. Okay, let's see the risk disclosure. Trading with stocks and financial assets can expose your capital to substantial risks, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. What do we expect on numbers today? Not that much. 8 o'clock. It's now out already. The consumer price index in Germany, it was previous 8.8. Consensus was 8.8, and it was expected, and the actual is 8.8. Also, it's out the claimant count change. Great Britain, then the unemployment rate is a kind of expected. And this afternoon, the CPI, food energy from USA. So nothing that much, no rate decision today. So we can be focused on our trades. Okay, let's come to the charts, and we want to start with the DAX 15 minutes for the day traders among of us. So, and here we go. You can see lovely trend following. You realize it? Look at this one. That's the lovely trend. So we started here last week, September 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and number 5. How cool is this? Yeah. Entry anywhere here in trend on number 2, stop loss, and you're really cool in profit. simple trend following. It's not that complicated, but you have to learn it. So where is the fair price? You see, still on the lower side, still here in this market level, 13,819, which means price becomes more expensive and more expensive. And as you know, prices always go back to the normal price, except or unless the price changed to another price level and shows us the possibility that it's a normal price at another price level. But actually, it's still at 12,819. So please be aware, trail your stop 0.3, 0.3, and everything is fine. Yeah. So then what's about the real trend? Here you can see perfect entry. Here you can see in trend up number 2, trailing stop. So how far you're in profit if you made an entry there, stop loss here, and you have saved 125 points. It's enough to make money. Give the market a chance to see how much money you will get. That's really, really important. Let's go one time frame higher, especially for the part-time traders. They have a normal job to do. They don't have the time to sit in front of the PC all day long. Let's go to the 4-hourly chart. And here we can see the downtrend is broken in DAX, and you made money here, as you can see in DAX 40. The entry trend of number 2, exit trend of number here at 0.3. This was your money. How cool, right? So now we have a new trend. We have a new trend, a new high. Now we are waiting for correction. Then you can make an entry here again. There are 2 balance candles. I guess this you have to wait until this candle is done, and then you can speculate on a break on the upper side. Dow Jones also downtrend broken. How much? Also entry trend of number 2, trading point number 3. This is your money. Really, really cool. Yeah, really, really cool. So now on the right side also, there is a lovely uptrend with a new top. Now we are waiting for the correction to open the trade again. So DAX and Dow at the sideline for the moment. Bitcoin, lovely downtrend also. You see, there was also entry trend of number 2, trading stop to the 0.3. This was your money. Really cool, right? So now perfect entry trend of number 2 was there, you see, and it's enough to trail the stop loss into the profit. It's not that complicated, right? And now you're waiting if you see a no trend, whatever there is. Yeah. Gold chart. Gold is still in a downtrend. Yeah. And in case you open the trade in trend arm number 2, which was here, then your stop loss actually is just still in profit. Yeah. Still in profit. You cannot trail a stop as a trend follower because there is no new trend arm. If there will show up a new trend arm, then this must happen. That's this one and this one. And then we can trail a stop here to the last 0.3. But actually, it's no problem because you are in profit. Everything is fine. You cannot lose money if you make it properly. So now we are having here on the right side a new uptrend, which is the correction of the downtrend. And as a trend follower, you don't make a decision between main trend and leading trend or up and down. You are a trend follower, which means you follow every single trend. And with CFDs, of course, not in a real market. If you trade gold futures, you cannot go long and short at the same time. It's not possible because if you sell something, you need buyers. If you want to do this in a real market, then you have to open 2 different accounts, 2 different brokers maybe. Then you can go long there and sell and short there, of course. In CFDs, that's the cool thing here with my MetaTrader and April Markets, for example. It's a live account. You can sell and buy at the same time. This is a cool thing. And CFDs are as good as any other products in the meantime. Yeah. So that's waiting here for a new balance candle. Then we get the signal, and then we can set a pending order, sell a buy pending order to work with the probability that the price is going up. Euro dollar, is still an uptrend, and the perfect entry was here on the lower side here. There was your perfect entry. Stop loss in profit. There was another point to make an entry here. However, the trend is safe, or the trade is safe with your entry, with a stop loss at the entry price. Yeah, and now let's wait. If we see a next trend arm, this could be this, and then let's see. Yeah. So let's check where is the point of control in Euro USD. Much way higher. So the point of, oh my gosh, the point of control is 113.20, guys. Cool thing, which means we have, what is it, 1,365 pips to go. That's really cool. So why you should avoid this trend? Yeah, just check it out. So next one, no, that's not, is British pound. Here we go. There must be an entry, guys. We have two balance candles in a row. Yeah, here we can speculating on the trend continuation. Yeah, I would say, oh, yeah, we can make directly an entry. Yeah, directly an entry, and we trail, of course, the stop loss closer, not so far away. Yeah, a little bit here roundabout. Yeah, and let's see if the price is going on or not. So that's the 4-hourly charts. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products I trade if I have time in 4-hourly chart. So let's see what's about the running trends. By the way, here we start Aussie Canadian dollar. Aussie Canadian dollar, we still in. Why? It's an uptrend, new uptrend. There was the balance candle last Friday. Entry, stop loss a little bit lower, and then let's see. Aussie Swiss, really cool in profit, stop losses in profit, nothing can happen. We're still working with the probabilities, and as you know, we have a probability out of the second trend arm. Yeah, we have a probability of around about 70% that we will see a close below the last 0.2, and this is enough to make money. Yeah, and then let's see how many trend arms we will get. I will show you in this show to work with trend following, which I teach you in the online course. So again, why is this online course so important? Because we go much way deeper in every single part of trading, how the price develop, how the trend develop, about the proper trade management, about a proper money management. I teach you why there is no risk in trading. Then there are a lot of home exercises, how to draw the trend properly. And it's, by the way, a lifetime license. Yeah, if I see that I have to answer some questions, and then I upload a new one. Actually, I made 2 new updates, but my administrator actually is working at his exam in the university for a lawyer. So, and this is this week at the end. Thursday, I guess, is the last exam. So, and he will upload the webinars or the updates, I guess, at the weekend, latest next week. Okay, next one, Euro Pound. Yeah, we are really cool in profit. So the entry, by the way, was here. That was really perfect. And of course, the stop loss actually is still in profit, so we cannot lose money. And by the way, I guess we will see today a new trend continuation. That's really cool. Now we are trend of number 4. Euro JPY, really cool in profit. We are working here on the trend continuation, stop losses in profit. Euro Kiwi, we're circling around the entry. Yeah, and still in trend arm number 2, you know, we have the probability of 70% that we see a trend continuation. Pound JPY also a little bit in profit. As you can see, I trailed already my stop loss in profit because we saw 1, 2, 3, yeah, trend candles. We are straight on the way up to the 0.2, but I protecting the money is the prime directive. Every cool trader, every experienced trader will tell you the same principle. The prime directive in trading is to protect the money. And afterwards, sticking the rules and whatever you will see there. But protecting your money under all circumstances is the prime directive of every experienced trader. Pound Kiwi, yeah, still in profit. No, still in loss for the moment. Why I don't trail my stop? It's really simple. I only trail my stop if I see a proper trend candle after my entry. So, and here we go. My entry was here last week. So that was not really a trend candle. You see, there is a teeny tiny spike on the lower side, and today also. So that means, yeah, we have more buyers, but not all the time, not all the day. Yeah, that means it's not a clear. So I am waiting for a real balance, a trend candle, and then I trail my stop to cut the possible loss, which means I have to wait for a re-entry. Kiwi Cat, yeah, we still see this kind of recovery. We were deep in, close to my stop loss, but there are 2 balance candles in a row. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's see. I don't analyze. Yeah, the stop loss is there. I calculated my money, and even I get out or not. Yeah. On the other side, yeah, the trend follower. Yeah, the trend follower for the short side had the latest entry here, yeah, or here again, yeah, and you see, still in profit. Then we have Kiwi JPY, yeah, we are working on a trend continuation here. As I said, it's always the same. Look at this one, it's always the same. Out of the correction up to the 0.2, and you see, this is your 70% of probability, and that's the rules. That's the point what you have to do. Stick to the rules and do your damn it job. And I told you, actually we have almost 100 students all under my hands in the DowHow community. You can get in after you made the course. You have access to the community for a small yearly price, by the way, where we trade all day, where we trade together, and where you can train and practice what you learned in the course. And actually, all my students at the end of the month, they have to give me 2 results: the full results of all trades of the last month and the result without any failures. Guess what? The result. You can imagine by yourself. So NASDAQ actually in profit. We hit the last 0.3 without breaking the trend. Yeah, now that was the balance candle. It was a perfect signal, really cheap price. This was a traders looking for, really, really cheap price. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 trend candles in a row. I trailed my stop loss in profit. Protecting the money is the prime directive. So if the price is coming back, I can make a re-entry. Please be aware that there is a downtrend also available. So if there will show up a balance candle, we have to open a short position also. And the last one here is dollar Swiss. Yeah, it's a long, of course, but the long trend is really old. And if you trade the long trend, then it was really cool. Entry trend on number 2, trailing stop is here actually, just a little bit in profit. And that's the bad side of the medal, that sometimes you have kind of expressions of the chart, and then you cannot trail a stop loss so far, but you cannot lose money. Yeah, even you are in this trade a very long time. So now on the right side, they're showing up this downtrend, and here we are really cool in profit, and the stop loss is in profit also. Yeah. So that's my running trades. Let me show you the probabilities. Still Euro Swiss, but it's going deeper and deeper and deeper. As you can see, the downtrend is not broken yet, still there. Trend on number 6. That's really cool. We are waiting for a balance candle to go long. And US dollar, Canadian dollar, we are on trend on number 5, but we are waiting for a trend for a balance candle also. Yeah. Oh, and a new one. Arabica, coffee. Really cool. Coffee. Set a pending order on the way up. Yeah. Because it's trend on number 3 already. You see the perfect entry. The perfect entry was there. Yeah. Really there. So let's see what we can do there. Okay, guys. That was my part. Yeah. I want to say thank you again for joining the session. I hope we'll see each other tomorrow again. If you have any questions, you can get in touch with me on my homepage, DowHow-trading.com, or whatever you think. If you have any questions, ask. We can talk about almost everything. So, have a wonderful day. And as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force of the rules be with you.